morning. Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and thought to yourself, why do I look like this? I want to change this, like everything about myself. Or maybe you have not, because you're self-confident, you have high self-esteem, and you love yourself the way you are. But I wasn't like this. And maybe this is because I started social media when I was in middle school. My Instagram feed was always covered with beautiful models, actresses like Kendall Jenner, Gigi Hadid, Emma Watson, and so many more. But, even now, my close friends all know this. Every day, while I'm just walking and talking with them, I would ask them, do I look okay? Do I look fat in this photo? How does my outfit look today, right? And I realized that this low self-esteem was largely a result of the multimedia that surrounded me. So today, I want to discuss mass media's effect on society's perception of feminine beauty. So today's society is exceedingly connected through mass media, influencing our day-to-day lives. Unrealistic ideals are promoted every day, influencing our mindset of who we are, what we should be doing, and how we look in our cultures. Such standards of beauty are unattainable and extremely dangerous to strive for. So boys, try to calm down on this next slide. So the beautiful models, actresses, and commercial stars we see online are actually underweight, and they're frankly airbrushed. There's many forms of multimedia that I will explore today to prove to you that this exposure of media is actually very dangerous for females all over the world. So I'm going to go over the concept of body image first. So female body image is a prevalent issue in determining one's satisfaction of their appearance. The perception of your body is also called body image. It's how you view your physical self and whether you feel you are attractive and whether others like your looks or not. Positive body image is a true, clear perception of yourself. It's when you perceive parts of your body as they really are. And negative body image is a unrealistic and not true perception of your body where you see parts of your body as they are not. This is an extreme case. A lot of people are like this. You often ask yourself why you don't fit media's ideal of beauty, and you hate yourself for how you look. Actually, people with negative body image have a greater likelihood of developing an eating disorder, and they're more likely to suffer from depression and self-hate. This video highlights two eating disorders, bulimia and anorexia nervosa. One's where you just don't eat at all, and the other one is where you force yourself to throw up after you finish eating. Yeah. According to Casey L. Sardar, a doctor of philosophy and psychology at Virginia Commonwealth University, 20% of 9-year-olds and over 40% of 14-year-olds reported wanting to lose weight. Even at such a young age, I think it's crazy that a 9-year-old would want to, thinks about wanting to lose weight. Females learn from a very early age that they must spend enormous amounts of time, money, and energy to strive to achieve society's ideal of beautiful. And people are starting to forget what's real and what's not, and what's authentic or digitally manipulated. Advertisements like this are so common today, where Photoshop is used to make someone look more beautiful. The biggest problem is that the media we are exposed to are the most common and recent. So these are, this is from a social media platform called Instagram, and there's Instagram and Tumblr. There's so many more other platforms that many of us use, and images are grouped by hashtags. And I find this disgusting because there's a hashtag being circulated in the community called pro-ana, which means pro-anorexia. It's a hashtag promoting an eating disorder, saying that it's a good thing not to eat. And another form of multimedia is TV shows. This is a TV show in South Korea called Let Me In. It's where two contestants enter the show, and they compete for who is uglier and fatter, and the audience vote for the person that they feel pity for, and they win a free cosmetic surgery package. Right? And these are some of the contestants that won the show. Yeah. But what's reassuring is that there's already organizations that support this cause, and I've actually donated money to this one. It's the Dove Self-Esteem Fund. They promote inner beauty. And, yeah. Thank you for listening. Okay, so I prepared some discussion questions because I wanted to hear your opinions and thoughts on this topic. So my first question is, I want to ask the whole class, can you guys just quickly tell me, have you ever wanted to look like someone else, and if so, who, and like really shortly why? So I'll start. I want to look like this model called Adeline Bruto because I think she has a really nice smile, and I like her eyes. Yeah. What about you? Is there anyone you want to look like, or you just want to look like yourself?
Yeah, I've never thought about it.